Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to set up a new project on Aptos blockchain in Move language. First of all, we have to install Aptos CLI. We'll use it to initialize new Move project, compiling or publishing smart contracts, communicating with blockchain and stuff like that. So you can find out how to install Aptos CLI in documentation. There are plenty of options depending on which operating system you use. And I'm not quite sure if you can download it on pure Windows, so if you're a Windows user, you definitely should install Windows subsystem for Linux, and everything I show in this tutorial should work for you as well. Okay, so I'm gonna install the Aptos CLI by script. I'm currently on Linux, so I'm gonna choose this option, and as you can see, there are two scripts that we can run, so I'm just simply gonna choose the first one. We open the CLI and we paste the script in here. I've already downloaded the Aptos CLI, so I'm not gonna do this again. But the next very important things that you have to do before creating your first Move module is to open the bashrc file, and you have to paste this export at the end of the bashrc file, okay? So this is very important. Aptos CLI won't work without this, okay? Once you did it, you can quit bar by typing WQ, which stands for write and quit, okay? And now we can create new directory. Let's call it test. CD into this test directory, and now we can initialize our new Aptos project. So we can do this by typing Aptos move init name and the name of our project, so let's call it test project. Okay, as you can see, everything goes successfully. We can check what is in our directory right now, and this command created move.tom file and sources directory. So move.tom file is a manifest file that holds metadata of our project, and sources directory is directory which holds our smart contracts. And I forgot to mention that you can check if the Aptos if Aptos CLI works by typing Aptos version. Okay, so this is how you can check if you successfully download Aptos CLI. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do before running Aptos module, we have to create our profile data. We can do this by typing Aptos init, and now network, only want to work, and I'm gonna put in devnet in here. Okay, and it will generate new keeper that we'll use to communicate with blockchain, to publish our smart contracts and stuff like that. Okay, so we can check our newly created Aptos account by typing Aptos account list. This will list all data that our account holds initially. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of data. I'm not covered that in this video, but I want to show you that our account initially comes with one APT, so you don't have to fund it with additional APT, but if you want to do this, you can by typing Aptos account fund with faucet. Now account that you want to found, and you want to found this account, so we can simply type default. Alright, so our account was founded with additional one APT, and we can check the address of our account by typing Aptos account lookup address. Alright, so this is the address of our account. Let's copy this and jump into the Aptos Explorer. Make sure that you're on DevNet network. Let's paste it into the search bar. So this is our account. As you can see, we now have two apt, one that we received initially and another that we found it using command line. So now that you initialize everything, we can open the VS Code. Okay. So one more thing that you have to install is Move Analyzer. You can find it in extensions marketplace. So Move Analyzer provides basic support with grammar and syntax highlighting. We also need to install Move Analyzer language server, which will check our code in case of errors. We can download it by running this command. And to run this command, you also have to install Rust. So if you don't have Rust, you can download it using this command. Okay, I will put everything in description of this video. All right, so let's get back to the VS Code. This is the structure of our project. So as you can see, here we get the move tom file. So this is the name, it stores the name of our project. This is the name that we provided in our command, the version, and obviously the dependencies that we will use in our project. We can also store some addresses or upgrade policies in here, but we'll cover that in the next tutorials. And there is also the .aptos directory, which holds the data of our profile, of our account. Okay.